Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the Declaration of Independence and why it matters. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Was the Declaration of Independence written in 1776? Yes, it was written and adopted in 1776. Did George Washington write the Declaration of Independence? No, Thomas Jefferson was the main author. Does the Declaration say that all people have the right to life, liberty, and happiness? Yes. It states that all people have unalienable rights. Was the Declaration signed by only 10 people? No, it was signed by 56 leaders. Is the Declaration of Independence still important today? Yes, it continues to inspire movements for freedom and democracy worldwide. Was the document written to remain loyal to Britain? No. It was written to declare independence from British rule. Does the Declaration list complaints against the British King? Yes, it details grievances against King George III. Is July 4th celebrated in the U.S. because of the Declaration? Yes, Americans celebrate Independence Day on July 4th. Did John Hancock sign the Declaration with a small signature? No, his signature is the largest and most famous. Was the Declaration of Independence written after the American Revolution ended? No, it was written at the start of the Revolution. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.